This is your home screen. It gives you a live snapshot of your home's entire energy flow. See exactly where power is coming from and going to: your solar panels, the grid, your battery energy storage system, and your home's loads. Here, you can see how much power your solar panels are producing right now. This shows the amount of power flowing into or out of your energy storage system. This shows how much power is being drawn from or sent back to the grid. And this is how much power your home is currently consuming. You can tap here to enter the System section and check the detailed specifications and status of your energy storage system. Here you can check out today's key stats: how much you've generated, consumed, and even earned from your system. In the Impact section, you can see how your solar energy was used and track your renewable achievement. The charts below show what percentage of your home's total energy was supplied by your AlphaESS system and how much money you've saved or even earned during your selected time period. This section shows you the true degree of your energy independence. Here, you can see exactly what percentage of your home's total energy use came from clean sources. This calculation considers your total consumption during the selected period and shows you how much was powered directly by your solar panels and the renewable energy stored in your battery. The Energy section gives you a complete picture of your energy flow for the selected period. See exactly where your home's power came from and where it was used. This section shows the total electricity your solar panels produced and breaks down how it was used, what percentage powered your home, charged the battery, or was fed back to the grid. This section shows your home's total consumption, with a clear breakdown of how much was supplied by solar, by your battery storage, and by the grid, so you can better understand your self-consumption. This section gives you a detailed review of your battery's performance, showing its charge and discharge history and the corresponding state of charge. It also breaks down, by percentage, where the charging energy came from and where the discharged energy went. This section shows all energy exchange with the grid. You can see how much grid power flowed to your home and battery, and in return, how much energy from your solar panels and battery was fed back to the grid. In the Settings section, you can find important controls for managing your system. Backup Reserve is designed to set aside a portion of battery energy for power outages, ensuring that backup power is always available when it matters most. Self-Consumption Mode. The default and simplest option, solar energy is used first, with no setup required, maximizing savings automatically. Price-Based Control Mode. Optimize battery charging and discharging based on electricity prices to reduce costs and increase returns. If you're on a time-of-use electricity rate plan, you can create a smart charging and discharging schedule to match it. The system lets you define rules across 6 different rate periods: super off-peak, shoulder, peak, critical peak, and a fully custom option. When you need ultimate flexibility, choose time-based control. It lets you manually define exactly how and when your battery charges and discharges, all on your own terms. To secure your home against storms, activate Storm Guard. Directly linked to live weather alerts, it proactively charges your battery to 100% SOC before severe weather hits, ensuring backup power for your essentials if the grid goes down. This is where you set up your electricity rate plan. The rates you enter are used to calculate your earnings and to enable all time-based control features. If you have a fixed rate plan, setup is simple. Just enter your buy and sell rates once. For a time-of-use rate plan, you can customize it fully. Start by creating distinct seasons and ensure they don't overlap. Then, for each season, define your daily time periods such as peak, off-peak, and shoulder, set the corresponding rules, and enter the specific buy and sell prices for each time slot. The Me section is your personal hub. Here, you can update your account info, choose your preferred language, switch between light and dark themes, and get help from customer support. AlphaESS App 7, your intelligent dashboard for a sustainable home.